won't lie, this question is quite standard, so it's going to be pretty good. So what do we have here? We have the acceleration of p is 3i plus 9j. So let's write down, we've got a equals 3i plus 9j. And we know at time t equals 0, the velocity of p is this. So this means that the initial velocity, we can call this u equals 3i minus 22j. Find the speed of p when t equals 3. So, you know, this is actually pretty straightforward. We want to find the speeds. In other words, we want to find the magnitude of the velocity v at t equals 3. So really and truly, we just need a Suva equation. So just using Suva for a second, you know, just underline what we need. We don't need s. Our initial velocity is given. We need to find this acceleration and time. So make an equation of these four pairs. And the best one to use is of course v equals u plus at. And that's it, guys. Let's pop this all in. So replacing u, we're gonna have what? We're gonna have 3i minus 22j. Cool. A, which is blah blah 3i plus 9j. And we're gonna multiply this all against 3. So I mean the a part at least. And then simplifying this, what do we get? So we got 3i minus 22j. Multiplying these terms across by 3, you can get 9i plus 27j. Correct my maths if I'm wrong, guys. And voila, the velocity v is going to be 3i plus 9i, which is 12i. Minus 22 plus 27j is plus 5j. And then the speed is always going to be the magnitude, yeah, of v. So therefore, the magnitude of v is just, you know, the Pythagoras technique or the distance formula. So we take the square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. Inside it should give us, in a calculator, I'm just going to go straight from my head. This should give us 13 meters per second. Work this out and see if you get the same conclusion. But otherwise, guys, hope this video helped, and I shall see you a lot soon. Drop your discussions below. Let me know anything, any questions you want me to tackle. I will get on it ASAP. Ciao, guys, and see you all soon. Bye-bye.